Hello, good morning, welcome back. Today we have come up with a earring sale at just 451 rupees. All the earrings that we are showcasing right now in the live video are 451 rupees, free shipping across India. These are first, anyone wants to order, they can take a screenshot and reach us on our WhatsApp number. First pair of earrings. Then this is second pair of earrings. Everything we have only single pieces. So whoever orders first and pays first will be getting the stock. This is also 451 rupees only. The offer is limited for today itself. You cannot claim it tomorrow. Today only whoever is making the payment will make it to them only. This is also 451 rupees only. We'll add the stone and we'll give, madam, we'll give fresh pieces. We have many Kempu Butta posted in our gallery. You can check it out, madam. Right now these are in offer. If you want to order, you can take it. These are fourth design. These are fifth design. Only single piece we have, so whoever orders first will be getting it first. For payment or same number, store number, we have Google Pay 9030271018. Again 451 rupees only. Screw back earring, Chandbali. Everything is all are AD, madam. Again, for the actual price is 800 rupees, but under today's offer we are offering everything at 451 rupees only. Anything you want, you can take a screenshot. You can reach us on our WhatsApp number 9030271018. Again, screw back. The price is 800 rupees, but we are offering it just 451 rupees for today. Only valid for today. This is one very pretty design. Again, the price is 451 rupees only. It's all offer price. No extra shipping charges. We don't charge 100 rupees as extra shipping. So you can estimate that if you reduce 100 rupees as shipping also, you are getting it just 351 rupees only. All these earrings. Very reasonable. I can tell you, you will not get the same price anywhere. And everything is of quality products. We don't sell cheap products or bad quality products. Everything is good quality, premium quality polish. This is one more Chandbali with screw back earrings. Then I'll showcasing many more designs. Then this is one more design. The price is 1050. The actual price of this is 1200 rupees, but under offer we are offering it just 451 rupees. You can check it out. Then the next piece. Again 451 rupees only, screw back earrings. Then check out this piece. Anyone wants to order, they can reach us on our screenshot. All the earrings that we are showcasing 451 rupees only, madam, no extra shipping charges. Shipping is free across India, and we do international shipping also. Check out this piece. This is also very pretty piece. Will not be posting any kind of pictures again, ma'am. All that you want, you can take a screenshot and you can order. Pictures will not be posted on page, because by the time we post pictures, most of them will be sold out. So we'll be posting the video, whichever you want, you can take a screenshot. Pictures won't be posted again. Check out this piece. This is also very pretty piece. Round chandbali with flower designs, golden polish. Again 451 rupees only. Again this chandbali. Screw back earrings. 451 rupees only. Free shipping across India. This is again 451 rupees only. Yes, ma'am. Today, right now, we are showcasing only earrings in sale. So these are only the products that are presently available in sale. And we have only one piece each design. So whoever pays first will be getting it first. 451 rupees is inclusive of shipping, no extra shipping charges. This is again 451 rupees only. COD is not available for deal prices, madam. Regularly we have COD, but for deal prices we don't provide COD. You can take a screenshot of what you like and you can order it on our WhatsApp number 9030 271018. Then this is one more design, Chan Bali. We'll be getting fresh pieces, madam. There will be no damage, nothing, madam. All the pieces will be shipping are fresh pieces. Anyone wants to add multiple pieces, they can add it, madam. By the time we end this video, we may not take orders because already we are getting most of them sold out. We have heavy orders right now pending, so we are not taking any orders. I am trying to showcase. See, one of this is Kempu. Again 451 rupees only. Then this is one uncut Chan Bali. Again 451 rupees only. It's go grab on. You will not get again the same price. So only for today. The actual price of this is 800 rupees, but we are offering it just 451 rupees. Check out this Chan Bali, it is also very pretty. The same cost 451 rupees. Pushback earrings. To order, our WhatsApp number is 9030271018, madam. This is again 451 rupees. Back push. Small Chan Bali. This is also Kempu Chan Bali. Priyanka garu, meeku Kempu Chan Bali kavalante, you can search by the keyword SPJ earrings. You'll get all the earrings available. In that, many of them are Kempu. You can check it out. You want to check the previous Kempu Chan Bali? Here it is. Price is 451 rupees, madam. Any of that you can select in live video. Everything is 451 rupees only. See, this is also 451 rupees. The actual price is around 700 rupees, but for today we are from Hyderabad, madam. You can check our profile. We are available in Google, Facebook, Instagram, everywhere. You can check our reviews, ratings, everything is there. See, the actual price is 990 rupees with screw back earrings it is, but again we are offering it the same 451 rupees only. If you want to order something, you can take a screenshot, you can send it to us. We'll process your orders. And we are coming to our last session. These are last few earrings that we are showcasing. Last 5 pieces that we'll be showcasing, and we'll end the video and we'll be processing the order. So whoever wants to take the advantage, you can take it right now. Send us a message on our WhatsApp number. We'll process your orders immediately. We'll ship it today. We have only 1 or 2 pieces in each of the design. Price is 451 rupees only. So make a note that. See, this is also very pretty piece. Ma'am, only Chan Bali we are showcasing right now, madam. We don't have Buttalu in this. Under offer right now we don't have Buttalu madam. We have only Chandbali right now in offer. You can take this right now, and if Buttal comes you can again take, because these are like grab on prices. This is one more Chandbali, again 451 rupees, screw back earrings, very pretty, not to miss. And these are last Chandbali that I am showcasing. The number is 9030. Maithili garu, the price is 451 rupees only, with inclusive of shipping, no extra charges. Any of this you can select. And last piece, we are closing the push back. Thank you everyone.